Hello loves, today I'm going to share how to make your own curl cream at home. This homemade curl cream is really good for moisture retention and curl definition. For more curly hair videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified every time I post a new video. To make combining the ingredients much faster, I use a Ninja blender I got off of Amazon. Of course, links for everything I use will be in the description box below. The first ingredient that we are going to use is mango butter. Mango butter is really good for your hair. It has healing properties. It restores elasticity, which means less breakage, thicker, bouncier, softer curls. I made a mistake here, which I think made a difference in the fluffiness and texture of my cream. Make sure that you blend the mango butter until it is completely smooth. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how my wash and go turned out with this curl cream, and I actually really like the result. Aloe vera is the next ingredient that we are adding. I love aloe vera for the hair because it helps maintain healthy hair growth. It prevents dandruff and itchy scalp. It's extremely moisturizing. I used fresh cut aloe directly from my plant, but definitely use aloe vera gel with a preservative if you want your curl cream to last as long as possible. Next up, we got some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is lightweight. It's great for low porosity curly hair as it penetrates the hair easily. It reduces frizz. It seals in moisture from the aloe, and because it's lightweight in nature, it's also really awesome for curlies with fine or thin curly hair. The second to last ingredient is vitamin E oil, which is an amazing antioxidant. It heals the skin on your scalp, it prevents split ends, and it's going to add a lot more shine when you put your curl cream in your hair. And the very last ingredient we're going to add is honey. Honey has antimicrobial properties, and it has the ability to get rid of impurities that may be clogging the scalp, so it supports healthy hair growth. You guys will notice that everything I'm putting in here supports a healthy scalp. That's because I address curl health or hair health from the scalp down as opposed to the ends up. Definitely keep that in mind and think about that when you are testing out any DIYs or any new hair products. As you can see, my hair definitely loves this curl cream. It's lightweight, yet it adds so much moisture and shine. If you guys would like to see how I style my hair for wash and goes, you can click on the video in the upper right corner next. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with anyone who you think might need it. Thank you guys so much for coming through to watch this video, and as always, I wish you guys all the love, light, and good vibes, and I'll see you guys around next time.